Stop thinking of AI as a drafting assistant. Think of it as a content factory. Your goal isn't to draft one piece, your goal is to multiply one brilliant core idea into a month's worth of leveraged assets. The content treadmill is real. You spend hours grinding out variations of the same idea, hoping one sticks. Promptchaining flips this script. It's about building a sequence, feeding the output of step A into the input of step B, creating exponential velocity. We are going to walk through the exact 5-step prompt sequence that moves you from a single, raw idea to a fully diversified content schedule without ever doing manual copy-pasting. Step 1. The foundation. You don't just ask AI to write about your idea, you prompt it to become the ultimate conceptual map. You feed it the core concept and ask for its main pillars, counter-arguments, target audience pain points, and monetization angles. This foundational output is your content DNA. It's the agreed-upon truth of the idea. If you don't nail this step, everything that follows is just noise. You are outsourcing the thinking, not just the typing. Step 2. The deep dive. Now that the foundation is set, you move to Step 2, long-form drafting. You instruct AI to take the DNA and build a comprehensive piece, a 2,000-word blog post, or a full 10-minute video script. Crucially, you don't just say write a blog post. You specify the tone, the target persona, e.g., skeptical founder, the required sections, and a clear call-to-action location within the text. The goal of Step 2 is not just to fill space, it's to create a high-density source document, a goldmine from which all other content will be mined. This is where the scaling begins. Step 3. The segmentation. You feed the entire finished long-form draft back into the AI and give it a new directive: break this down for different platforms. You ask it to extract 3 distinct assets, a viral Twitter thread, max 8 tweets, a YouTube short script outline, and 5 LinkedIn thought leadership posts. This is the mechanical jump. You are not asking AI to rethink the idea, you are tasking it with restructuring the existing, approved body of knowledge into new formats. Step 4. The amplification. Now you have your raw materials, the tweets, the scripts, the outlines. This step is about polishing and optimizing for maximum reach. You prompt the AI, take this Twitter thread and rewrite it with a stronger hook, adding controversy in tweet 3 to maximize engagement metrics. This iterative process, draft-slice-refine, is how you move from good content to viral potential. You are using the AI's speed to perform professional-grade editorial oversight. Step 5. The scheduling. This final step is the most overlooked. You feed all your pieces into one master prompt and ask it to generate publication schedules, suggested titles, competitive title testing, and relevant tags for each platform. You don't just get content, you get a deployment plan. Titles that convert, descriptions that rank, and tags optimized for current trends, all derived from the single original idea. Think of the time saved. You moved from "what should I post today" to which optimized piece goes live on LinkedIn versus Twitter versus the YouTube short schedule. This is the difference between using AI to do your thinking and using it to execute your strategy. You are the conductor, AI is the orchestra. The prompt chaining method is scalable. If the initial idea resonates, you don't restart. You simply cycle it back into Step 1 with a new instruction: expand on the controversy from this piece. So, stop chasing shiny new ideas. Master the art of the deep dive into one idea, and watch it breed a month's worth of high-quality, optimized assets. If you found this framework valuable, drop a comment below with the idea you're going to scale first. And hit subscribe for more deep dives into maximizing your AI leverage.